Hello students, in this video we will cover NEET preparation in Class 11. Class 11 is the best time to start preparing for the NEET examination. Crack NEET UG exam with these study tips. Number 1. Download the syllabus of NEET and keep it with you till the exam. One of the first things when starting NEET preparation is to know the syllabus of NEET. It may look humongous to see the full NEET syllabus at first glance, but don't worry, it's a gradual process of learning, step by step, topic by topic, question by question, to complete the syllabus in 2 years. Number 2. Get the books and study material for NEET preparation. If you join a coaching, then your NEET study material is more than enough to cover the syllabus. It will have all the theory and questions according to NEET level. In books, NCERT is must-read for biology and chemistry. Check out the best books for NEET preparation by visiting the link in the description. Number 3. Identify your best study times and make a timetable accordingly. When do you feel the most active? Study as per your strength and comfort level. Morning or night study really doesn't matter as long as you are achieving your set targets. You can try to study at various times during the day, morning and evening. Soon you'll get to know the best time to study that gives you fruitful results. Then make a timetable for NEET and stick to it religiously. Number 4. Join a coaching for systematic and guided preparation. NEET coaching, online or offline, is recommended from Class 11 by medicos and NEET experts. In coaching, you follow an organized schedule and take classes under the guidance of teachers. You can ask all your doubts and queries in coaching. Number 5. Understand concepts and practice questions regularly. NEET requires a lot of memorization, especially in biology, but understanding concepts is equally important to solve MCQs. In the NEET exam, time management and strategy of solving questions is important. It can be only achieved by serious dedicated practice and questions solving. Number 6. Make notes from the start of your preparation. Keep writing notes along with your studies. You can include important points, shortcuts, formulas, reactions, mistakes, etc. Notes will help you in revision. You will not have to go through the full syllabus in your material or book to revise things later. Number 7. Do homework and assignments on time to avoid backlog. Complete all your homework and assignments on time. Finish your DPPs and coaching module exercises as they are being taught. Don't keep pending work and say no to backlogs. Number 8. Keep revising what you are studying. We tend to forget topics with time if they are not interconnected. So a periodic revision is a must, i.e. daily, weekly and monthly revisions for NEET. Always revise important points, MCQs before sleeping. Number 9. Analyze your tests and learn from mistakes. After attempting a test, count the marks you lose due to silly mistakes, conceptual error, wrong interpretation of any question and other mistakes. Make sure not to repeat the same mistake again in the upcoming tests. Number 10. Stay disciplined and consistent. During NEET preparation, you have to stay disciplined and consistent in your studies. When you are consistent in doing the things you know you should do, your odds of achieving your goals will be dramatically increased. NEET Online Classroom Course for Class 11. Start preparing for NEET in Class 11 by learning from the top faculty and experts at your home in my Study Cart NEET Online Classroom course. Subscribe to my Study Cart YouTube channel for more NEET preparation tips and tricks.